Americans are once again watching the economy very closely, from rising prices at grocery stores to concerns about interest rates, oil prices, and stock market uncertainty. Economic anxiety is becoming one of the biggest stories across the United States. And now, growing international tensions and upcoming U.S.-China negotiations are adding even more pressure to an already fragile global economy. Inflation remains one of the top concerns for millions of Americans. Even though prices have slowed compared to previous years, everyday essentials like groceries, rent, insurance, and transportation are still putting pressure on households. Many families say they're spending more money while getting less in return. And economists warn that continued global instability could make prices rise even further in the months ahead. Another major issue dominating headlines is interest rates. The Federal Reserve continues facing difficult decisions about whether to raise rates, cut them, or keep them steady. Higher interest rates can help slow inflation, but they also make borrowing more expensive for Americans buying homes, cars, or starting businesses. As a result, many investors are closely watching every statement coming from the Federal Reserve. Oil prices have also become a major focus. Recent international conflicts and tensions in the Middle East have raised fears about possible disruptions to global energy supplies. Whenever oil prices rise, gasoline, transportation, and shipping costs often rise too. And experts say that could create another wave of inflation affecting consumers worldwide. Meanwhile, stock markets have been reacting sharply to every major economic update. Investors are paying close attention to inflation reports, employment data, and international negotiations between the United States and China. Some analysts believe the economy could stabilize later this year. Others fear that continued uncertainty could slow growth and hurt global markets. Upcoming economic talks between the United States and China are now being watched very carefully around the world. Trade tensions between both countries have already affected manufacturing, technology, and global supply chains. And many economists believe the outcome of future negotiations could directly impact inflation, business confidence, and international trade for years to come. As inflation concerns continue, and uncertainty grows across global markets, millions of Americans are now asking the same question. Is the economy heading toward stability or more financial pressure ahead? One thing is certain. The next few months could be critical for the future of the U.S. economy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel.